an individual testing a material's flammability using an open flame. Upon contact, the material ignited violently, producing intense fire and thick toxic smoke. Uncontrolled burn tests are strictly prohibited. Many materials are highly flammable and produce dangerous fumes. Proper hazard identification, PPE, ventilation, and fire suppression readiness are essential to prevent sudden fire emergencies. Another clip captures a natural disaster near a residential area at the base of a steep slope. A massive boulder suddenly broke loose and rolled downhill, crashing through a house. An elderly resident narrowly escaped moments before impact. Residents in rockfall or landslide-prone areas must remain alert, especially after heavy rain or seismic activity. Knowing evacuation routes and responding quickly to warnings can save lives. The video also documents a highway incident involving a semi-truck traveling in wet and slippery conditions. Due to excessive speed, the truck hydroplaned, lost control, and jackknifed, leading to a violent collision. Drivers must reduce speed in adverse weather. Sudden braking or steering on wet roads can cause complete loss of control. Defensive driving and increased following distance are essential for safety. Another incident occurs inside a warehouse where two forklifts were operating in the same area. Both operators failed to follow traffic rules and maintain awareness. A collision occurred at a blind corner, causing a tall stack of unstable cargo to collapse violently. Forklift operators must maintain safe speeds, sound horns at intersections, and conduct continuous 360-degree observation. Operating with obstructed visibility or poor attention is strictly prohibited. The footage then shows a large mobile crane lifting a heavy load when it suddenly lost stability and began to tip. The failure was likely caused by exceeding the crane's rated capacity or improper outrigger deployment. The crane collapsed entirely, resulting in a catastrophic site accident. Strict compliance with crane load charts is mandatory. Outriggers must be fully deployed on stable, level ground. Equipment stability is a non-negotiable requirement. Another scene documents a fuel transfer operation involving a tanker truck. While flammable liquid was being pumped, a sudden fire erupted near the transfer point. The ignition was likely caused by static discharge or an uncontrolled heat source. Flames rapidly spread, threatening the tanker and surrounding area. Proper grounding and bonding procedures are mandatory during fuel transfer. All ignition sources must be eliminated, and emergency fire response equipment must be immediately available. Personnel must be trained to respond quickly and safely to fire emergencies. The video also captures a worker standing close to a crane, lifting a heavy cylindrical component. During the lift, the load slipped or detached due to improper rigging or unsecured attachments. The load fell violently, striking the ground and throwing the nearby worker backward. Certified rigging equipment must be inspected before every lift. Standing beneath suspended loads is strictly forbidden. Maintaining exclusion zones and secure, redundant load connections is critical to prevent fatal dropped load incidents. Another clip reveals 3 workers attempting to cut into a large closed metal container, possibly a fuel or gas storage drum, using a handheld cutting tool. The task was performed without proper precautions for hot work on pressurized or flammable containers. Suddenly, the container ignited or rapidly released pressure, causing a violent explosion that launched it into the air. Hot work on closed containers is strictly prohibited unless they are fully purged, vented, and certified safe. Only approved cutting methods and specialized procedures must be used. This incident highlights the catastrophic danger of uncontrolled pressure and flammable vapor ignition. The footage then shows a serious incident involving a road roller or compactor in active operation. A worker was walking dangerously close to the machine's movement path. Due to poor situational awareness, failure to maintain a safe distance, and the operator's limited visibility and blind spots, the worker was struck by the steel drum of the moving roller. A clearly defined exclusion zone must always be maintained around operating heavy equipment. Workers are strictly prohibited from entering the swing or travel radius of machinery. The use of trained spotters and constant visual communication is essential to prevent deadly contact incidents. The video shows a worker carrying out routine cleaning or maintenance tasks inside an industrial facility. Nearby, a large, heavy cylindrical or spherical metal object had been placed directly on the floor. Critically, the object was not properly chocked, blocked, or secured to prevent movement. As the worker approached the area, the unsecured load suddenly rolled and tipped over, striking and pinning the worker. All heavy round or unstable materials must always be securely chocked or restrained to prevent rolling. Workers must never enter the line of fire or impact zone of unsecured loads. Failure to apply basic load stabilization measures can result in sudden and severe crush injuries.